Welcome back to DB Stockbroker Academy channels. Yesterday I have uploaded some videos regarding some magics. Hope some of the viewers have watched yesterday. Today is going to be part number 70. So hope everyone is fine in this COVID-19 situation. Right now I am in front of my camera as well as in my office in Gulobari. There's a very pleasant weather with around I think 28 degrees Celsius and it's raining outside. You won't get the raining tomorrow because the video is uploaded on the next day. So on this special day, I want to congratulate everyone, all my viewers, all my traders who have traded today and has booked a huge profit today. Today market has gone to Sensex above 800 points and all the companies, mostly all the companies has booked big profit today. Congrats once again to all my friends and all my viewers and traders and all my clients for receiving your big profit today. So hope this support gives me in future so that I can teach you more, and I believe that with my videos many have been booked profit today. So today I will be explaining about some important points about technical analysis. It's very important as well as also in technical analysis. Today is how to do short selling and how to do multiple trading in a stock market. Many people who are using fundamental analysis or technical analysis, who are using only one trade and waiting for a 1 month, 2 months or 3 months or even in a year to get some profit of around 3-4%. But using multiple trading in short term as well as in intraday, you can earn 11 to 12% in a day. I personally get the profit around 6 to 7% in a day every day of my amount. So you can also get that amount, 6 to 7% in a day. But always remember, this is a risk market. Anything can happen in a couple of minutes or anything can happen in a couple of hours. You always trade that money which is your extra money. It's not your savings money. It's not your money which are running your household for a month. Because if you waste that money, it will be difficult to run your family. Let's start with some basic technical analysis today. To my whiteboard. Today I was wearing the spectacles, right? I think my eyesight is becoming good. So sometimes I don't wear my eyesight or the spectacles. Let's begin with the technical analysis. Very important technical analysis. You can earn around 7% in a day using short term multiple trade. And also using intraday. But remember, due to some SEBI guidelines which has been effect from 1 September, the margin has been reduced. So to do multiple trade, you need some good amount of money in your fund. Otherwise, you can't able to do the multiple trade. So these are two types: short-term multiple trade and intraday, where you can earn at least 7% in a day. I will give you some good examples how you will earn it. For example, take the company like Maruti. Okay, now this is the graph. Exactly, this is the graph. Okay, this is a graph of 1 day. Suppose today is 25th September. So today this is the graph of Maruti. This is the 9 a.m. where market opens. You can't trade at 9 a.m. You have to trade at 9:15. This is called open gap. Open gap. Here you take it 9:15 a.m. Now, the price of 9 a.m. opens at, for example, 6,300 rupees. And at 9:15, it has been reached to around 6,350 rupees. Here. Now, this is a complete chart of an entire day. For example, here you take it around 6,400 rupees. Time is around, you take it like 12 p.m. Now again you take like here 2 p.m. Price is around, you take like you take something like 6,310. Again you take this one at 3:15 p.m. The price is around like 6,450. And at 3:30 the market closed. You take it like 6,400. So this is the graph of entire day of Maruti. You can see that at exactly at 9 a.m. the price of the Maruti share per share is 6,300 rupees. At 9:15 they have a big open gap. The price goes up, and at 6,350. At 12 p.m. you can see 6,400. And at 2 p.m. you can see the market falls down, and you can see that after the session the market is straight down to 6,310. But after 2 p.m. again at 3:15 the market has reached to 6,450, which is the day highest price of the entire day, because here the highest price is 6,400, but at 3:15 the highest price is 6,450 rupees, and at closing price is 6,400. Now, in this entire graph, you can see the beautiful graph of using intraday as well as short term. Now I can see you how many trade you can do in this graph. First trade at 9:15. Number one trade you can do 12 p.m. Number two type trade. This is trading, okay? 2 p.m. Number three and 3:15 p.m. number 4. So entire day you can take 4 trading in a day. But normally the people go and get profit because they used to buy at 9:15 one trade and they wait entire day by using 1 lakh rupees, and they they sit to get some profit. But instead of waiting for the entire day, you use multiple trading. You will get more percentage. For example, at 9:15 you buy at 6,350. You do like buy. You are doing buy at 600 and 350 and 950. Exactly at 12 p.m. when you get 50 rupees profit. It is 50 rupees profit. Okay, here 50 rupees profit. You book profit there. You have one completed one profit. Again at 12 p.m. don't close your trading. Use short selling method. I have explained this in my earlier video. If someone don't know about short selling, please go my earlier videos. You know what is short selling. So at 12 p.m. exactly you do short selling of around price of 6,400, and at 3 p.m. 2 p.m. you do buy. So at 2 p.m. you book entire profit of around 90 rupees here. 90 rupees. Okay. Again at 2 p.m. you got the buy call because the price goes low. 3:15 again you sell it around 6,450. That means your price is around, I think, 140 rupees. So now see, if you trade only one type of trading here, you have minimum 100 rupees profit. But I have using, or you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 trading in a day with your amount. Now, you know how many profit you have taken here. The profit is around, this is one, how many profit? 50 rupees. 50 plus. Again at 2, you have book profit of around 6,400. You do short sell at how many? 6,790 rupees profit. Again at 3 p.m. 3:15, you have book profit of 140 rupees. You know total profit how much here? It's like 140, 150, 190, 280. I think correct. You have book profit of 280 rupees from, you take 6,300. You know what is the percentage you have gathered from this profit? Let me calculate, or you have some phones on. I'll show you how many profit you have gathered here. 6,300 is a per share you have traded. You have get the profit of around 280 rupees. So 280 divided by 6,300, 4.4%. Your profit is 4.4% in a day with a amount of rupees only 6,300. 6,300 रुपए में आप 280 रुपए एक दिन में कमा सकते हैं. सिर्फ 6,300. मैंने कोई लाख रुपए नहीं लगाया, मैं कोई 2 लाख रुपए नहीं लगाया. सिर्फ 6,300 लगा के मैं मल्टीपल ट्रेडिंग मेथड यूज करके मैंने 280 रुपए कमाए. बट रिमेंबर, ड्यू टू सेबी गाइडलाइंस वी हैव सम एक्स्ट्रा मार्जिन्स to do trading. So you can earn this much, 4.4%, or maybe sometimes it won't be 4%, it will be 3%. But instead of waiting for the entire day to get 100 rupees or around 2%, you can get 4.4% in a day. So this is the beautiful method of using multiple trading. So whenever you do intraday or short selling, please use multiple trading method if you have enough fund in your account. Okay, so today I have explained about multiple trading or short selling. Tomorrow I will again come recorded videos with some beautiful topics about fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Next videos, it will be very interesting because next video onwards I will do something interesting like live telecast, live trading. What will why this market comes down? Nowadays I have learned you how to do in trading, what is the key term of stock market. But from the next videos, from today's market, I will explain you why this market fall downs today, why this market goes up today. It will be very helpful for you. Suppose today Maruti goes up, I will explain you tomorrow why Maruti goes up today. What is the doji, what is the candlestick we have applied here right now. So this is a very interesting, will come in the next videos. Please do share and subscribe, and if you don't subscribe also, I won't be feel bad, but please share. If you don't subscribe, no problem, please share. Okay, because I know someone not interesting in by watching my videos, they are not subscribing my videos, no problem at all, but please share so that someone who are interested in stock market, they may get interested and they subscribe my videos, or they want to learn something from it. Thank you for everyone, have a good day, good night.